Hello and welcome to Walk With Me Wednesday. It's Wednesday and we're going on a walk. Today we're at Phantom Forrest and I need to concentrate because this looks dangerous.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
This is a little hill that I need to walk down and I want to go sit on that bench. There's people in the woods. I hear them. I hear them.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Look at this cool bench.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
There are 8 different benefits to walking in nature. The healing powers of nature. It can reduce stress, lower your blood pressure, increase your mood. There are so many things.
And I really wanna know.
The trail changed. Now we're on just dirt. No more mulch.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
It's like a little chair.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Some more benefits are reduced anxiety. Also, it helps with your immune system, and to boost your immune system, it can help with your self-esteem. Benefits. You need to get out and get your steps. Like, walk with me. Get up, get moving, get out in nature and heal yourself. It's so important. I just saw this. It's hanging from this tiny little branch of this tree. And it's funny, but apparently I went the wrong way because I'm going the other direction. I'm not following that arrow. Some other benefits are increased awe, like, and it helps with cancer-fighting cells. It promotes the growth of cancer-fighting cells. So benefits are so great to get out into nature, whether you're taking a forest bath, if you're sitting by a lake, if you're just out in the regular city park, if it's nature, it has healing benefits. Give it a try. When's the last time you were out in nature? For some people, it's really easy to get out in nature. I live in the city. Nature is harder for me. So this little time on my work break is just phenomenal for me. Get out and walk, get out and enjoy the nature, get out and sit by the lake, whatever you can do. Do a little movement in nature. That is all what today's Walk With Me Wednesday is all about, is the healing properties of nature. Let me know, where's your favorite place of nature to go? What do you like to do in nature? I'll see you guys in the next video as always. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. It's going to be an adventure. And what do you think that is up there? You see that? It's like an old foundation. Trail. We're back. We're back to the mulchy side of the trail, which means it's almost over. I was able to walk this trail easily on my lunch hour and sit down on a bench and have a nice little chat with you all. This is a great little place, and you know, nobody's gonna have any projectile weapons, so that's awesome. Um, I just said that because of the sign. That was funny. Like, oh gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up. I'm gonna go have my lunch, get back to work. Hopefully the rest of the day is pretty good. The morning was very busy, and it was lunchtime before I even knew it. One more look. You guys gotta have one more look at this beautiful place because it's gorgeous.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.